Hi there, Bobby from the Business Directory plugin. This video will explain how to install our directory themes for the Business Directory plugin. Let's get started. Here we are on the Themes page that you can access by clicking on Directory, then Themes. What you're looking at here are the main themes that come with Business Directory plugin. The default theme or no theme are your current options. The default theme is a basic theme that doesn't have many bells and whistles, but it does provide a great looking directory listing. The no theme option is one that strips the directory listings of any theming and gives you a clean slate if you'd like to add a custom theme. We have a guide for that in our documentation, which I've linked to in the video description below. Once you purchase a theme for your directory, download it to your computer first, then click on Upload Directory Theme. Find the file you downloaded on your computer and attach it. You will see that it actually is listed here under the business card theme, which is the file that I just uploaded. If you don't want this, or if you accidentally uploaded the wrong theme, you can click Delete to remove it. But if it is the one that you want, the next thing you have to do before activating is to add a license key. Click on this license key link and you'll be taken to a page where you can add the license key. Once you've activated your license and uploaded your theme, you can now set it to active on your website. So click the Activate button, go to your web page, and refresh your results, and you'll see the new layout of the new theme. If you have any problems or questions about activating a theme, please feel free to drop us a line on the contact form listed below in the video description. Thanks for watching.